Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am playing with Dutch pours because it's what they decided was going to be the monthly challenge in my group. So why not have a go? I think I'm going to be still doing things my own way, but that's because I like discovering things, and if I do them the way everybody else does them, I discover what everybody else discovered. So I'm going to give myself, and I've already covered my edges with a little tiny bead of white paint and rubbed it in with my finger. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm not going to try and spread this anything more than to cover and create the negative space I expect to be left over. I may need more paint. There's no doubt about it. The possibility is definitely there. So the paint I want to put underneath the Dutch pour area, or the area where I'm adding colors that I'm going to blow out, I hadn't decided if it was all one thing or another. So I think I'm going to do all one thing and another, because it's my way after all. Because you never know. I do stuff because I can. And my friend Tara is always telling me I make a painting to make a painting. Well, yeah, okay. I'll give you that. Oh, we got cow spots. I want a nice heavy layer, and I'm bound to add a little bit more if I need to. Like right here. And here. Time to mix up some more paint, I think. That's what it looks like. Because that bottle is just about done. I'd like this to work. The last time I did a Dutch pour, it worked, but then I had a friend come to the front door and I needed to finish up quickly. I tried to take my time, but after I was done and she and I both stood there looking at it, I added a black little fluffy, little ruffled, whatever. I added an edge. So I'm just going to put all my favorite colors in here, starting with an Arteza metallic. And I'm not inclined to put them all in the same place. This is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters, which won't sink because it's the Maiden paint. That's the black and white that I'm using. I don't usually use Golden Hour. Well, I don't usually do Dutch pours either, so there you go. And I don't think I'm that afraid of it turning green because they're metallics, but we'll see. This is an electric blue from Arteza. This is a lot of Arteza. And I went back, I was almost out of it, and I went back and doubled the amount of Floetrol. My recipe is under the video, by the way, when you click show more, that I added in there. We'll see how that works. It's a little bit of a risk. This is my folk art neon purple with iridescent pearl fine mixed into it. Quite a bit of it, actually. And I'm almost out of that. I'm going to have to make some more of that. Those are beautiful colors for me. I'm going to put some of the color shifting turquoise from folk art in there also. And I was thinking about putting some orange in there, but I definitely want some gold. And there it is, the hot orchid that I hadn't stirred, that only has some water in it. And I think that's going to work. I'm going to put that right over the top. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. And hope that I have enough paint to blow things around. So let's just grab my blow dryer and make some noise. that's not too bad. Kind of like that, all right. I'm wondering about taking a straw and doing some of the edges like I've seen done. If I had left myself a straw, that would be so cool. I wonder what I'd do with all of them. How do I like that? I'm not sure how I like that yet. Looks like it's got toes. I only got a little bit of my gold. That's okay. I could put more gold in there if I wanted to. Kind of like it. It looks a lot like the last one. Kind of inclined to put a little bit of the hot orchid right there. Because I like it. And I could do that wherever I want, actually. I love how the hot orchid usually bleeds into things. Oh, I've got oil slick colors in there and they're beautiful. So what am I going to do with that? I realize I'm probably out of your range. So do I need something here? Let's give it a shot. First I'll blow it this way. The hot orchid is from Color Art and I like that balance back and forth. I have some pretty cells. Just stuck my finger in the painting. I'm going to torch, and I don't think I'm going to do anything to this, to tell you the truth. Although, I want to try this right now. Just change that up just a little bit. So I have some beautiful colors and I didn't use all those fancy primary elements, and I have them and I should mix them up and use them because that just seems like it would be a waste if I didn't do it. I see this big white spot here and I'm not thrilled with it. And I want that orange to come out of there. Universe, can you hear me? There we go. So let's see what I can do with that. Add a little texture. Hey, that's kind of cool. I like that. That's okay with me. So, am I good? I think I am. I should have told you guys already, I have over 92,000 subscribers, or at least I'm within 100 right now today. I'm going to torch. That is terrific. I like the way that turned out. If there's anything that should be done to it, I think I'm just going to leave it, and it'll have to be another painting, another day. Dutch pours are not that hard, I guess. I really had resisted. And you could definitely put a black edge on this or a gold edge on this. Just add little drops all the way around and drag a skewer through them. My temptation is to put a purple edge on the hot orchid But I think we're good. I say that, but I want to do something right now. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, under the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It's next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. There are no Dutch pours in there yet. I kind of like to play with things. I don't think I'm the only one. That was kind of dumb. Sorry. I could definitely lead a few little things out from the edge and create some more interest, which I like the sound of. Okay, so what should I tell you? I should tell you I'm going to try and zoom in. I'm also going to tell you that if you give me a thumbs up, I'd be really appreciative, and that I'm unstoppable when I want to do something. And I just need to make things my own. This is actually gorgeous. I'm loving it. I am so loving it. I'm so surprised too. There's a little part I just added. Let's see if I can zoom out enough so you can see all the gorgeous details. Hopefully, if you ever want to see a dry artwork, ask me to show you on the community board on my YouTube channel. We can have conversations there. I often post tomorrow's video there. Speaking of posting tomorrow's video, on my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, on that you can find on the link tree next to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, which has got albums of the artworks from YouTube. You can find... Oh wow, that just rambled right off into nothing. Anyway, Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and I do post tomorrow's video there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that'll take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com. Pixels.com and Fine Art America are also on the Linktree, so that makes it kind of redundant, but it's still nice to have. So my email address is underneath the Linktree. It's easpb, the word gallery, at gmail.com, and you can contact me there using the file number with the hashtag in the title of any video regarding maybe having a reproduction of an artwork or the original artwork or a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, share them, watch them longer, and watch them when the notifications come out. All those things will help me maintain my channel, or at least survive. I have 2 books. I told you they're both on the Amazon link. If you shop the Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out when you shop there. They are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Every single month there is a drawing. You can see the prizes for the drawing on the exhibition video, on the end screen video of every video in the last 20 seconds. I said that twice. Okay, well, thank you guys for the wonderful comments, and thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting. Just bear in mind there's never more than 20 people in my monthly drawing, so your chances are like 1 in 20. If you want to contribute to help keep the studio rolling, that would be awesome. If you want to buy a painting, remember the hashtag and the file number in the title. If you'd like to see a reproduction of something as all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts, the Teespring clothing underneath the video has some of my artworks, but if you find something you'd rather have there and it's not there, just ask me and I will put it there. I have over 1,900 videos. 1,800 of them are on lists of 100, by the 100, and also by topic and genre. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is under the video when you click Show More. If there's anything I've forgotten, and I don't see that there is, you can ask me questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Having a few brain cramps these days, but I still love you. So take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Yeah, I know I said it. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.